city continues to work on its idea of managed communities with tiny houses to address homelessness. They've been working on the ideas for months to find a way to get people off the streets.
And as Chris Hoffman reports, the idea is not unique to the Pittsburgh area, as other cities look for solutions to the problem as well.
According to City Council, there are about 100 other cities across the country that are using a similar idea to tackle the issue of unhoused populations. Today, we spoke with a couple of those cities to see how it's working in their neck of the woods. The idea is to have a house like this provide shelter for people on the streets. It would be in a tiny village where City Council plans to have services to get people into permanent housing, facilities to address health and hygiene, and other wraparound services to help with mental health and addiction.
We felt like we had a moral obligation to house everyone in Denver.
Other cities using this idea include Denver. They started using what they call microcommunities last July. Pittsburgh City Council members spoke with Denver about their initiative with coming up with their plan. Colt Chandler's with the mayor's office out there and says 7 sites have been able to get more than 1,200 people off the streets.
We're identifying a particular encampment and saying, hey, this encampment is going to be closed, but we're going to actually close it through housing resources rather than just moving an encampment down the block.
Other areas like Los Angeles have groups like Hope the Mission tackling the project. They started in 2021 and have 7 communities around Los Angeles County. While the communities are not a solution for everyone, they especially help people who may be victims of abuse. To address concerns about location, the organization holds open houses so people can see the villages.
Nobody wants a shelter in their neighborhood, but if we are going to address the homeless crisis, we're going to need one.
The goal for Denver and the Mission of Hope is to have people stay at these sites anywhere from 6 to 12 months to get into permanent housing. Their advice to Pittsburgh is make sure there are private and public partnerships on the project.
If you can get those two dynamics right, you can really do incredible things and you can change the world.
Currently, the City Council is working with the Planning Commission on this to see how they can get this zone and see how it can be implemented. We'll keep you updated on the process on air and online. On the North Shore, Chris Hoffman, KDKA-TV News.